Welcome to Neli's Nook. Today I would like to show you how I do raised 4H photo strip book fold. It looks like two-dimensional, but I like the little pictures that will stand out nicely out of your book. Here I have just a regular 4H photo strip book fold, and this one will be a raised one, so you can see that the picture stands out a little bit nicer. So what you will need, of course, you will need a paper cutter. I use this little tool for picking my top of my double-sided tape. You need scissors, pencil. I use little ruler, and I use this little tool where I do a lot of stuff with a little knife, which is very unusual. So let's start. I already started, as you can see. I'm almost finished with my pattern. My pattern looks like any other photo strip pattern. As you can see, I made a little bit wider strips over here because I wanted to cover more part on the sides. But usually I have this the strips will be probably 1.3 millimeters wide, which will save you a little bit of ink. So what we will do first, as normal photo strip pattern, we will just cut out strips, and I like to cut a little bit of the bottom so I don't have too much paper to work with. Then I will just cut my strips so they are nice and ready. But that's what we know that we have to do ready. Just cut some of them. All right, now we will just fold them in half as normal strips. Oh, missed that. And while you are cutting your strips, make sure you do not cut your numbers. Your numbers have to stay until you're ready to put the strip on the book. And as you can see, I have one extra line over here, and that will show me where is the edge of my page. Okay, this one will match, this line will match the top of your page. So let me fold my strips and I'll be right back. I cut my strips. I will put them on the side. Now I will take my book. I usually attach it to another book with a little clip. As you can see, I have 100-degree fold over here. I already marked my pages, and you mark it the way that you want. If you have any tools for marking or just measuring, and mark every single page. I marked top and the bottom. I figured out if I crease everything, it creases also where the picture is. So sometimes the pages are a little bit wobbly. So I just marked top and the bottom of the page. Now I have my page number, which have to match, and where the thin line is, right over here, the second one, not under the number, but the thin one, I just cut it off and just measure from from the line where your picture will be. Now you will need a tape, so either you use a double-sided tape, and you don't need much. Let's do first with double-sided tape. Make sure that you line up with the top of your page and press. Now take your scissors and cut where the picture ends. Here we go. And these little pictures will, pieces will fall apart. Now I'll take my edge and I fold it to my mark. And I take my other side, and as you can see, it's a little knife, but it's nice and sharp, so I like to do that this way. So now that's how the strip will look. So again, you can cut right where the line is. All right, and put it to the edge and put the strips where your picture will be. Don't on the top, on the bottom, because we don't need that. We'll take the tips out, put the strip in there, line up with the top of the book, press, crease. Now just cut where the picture ends. Those little pieces should fall off. And now we'll crease it over here, fold it to your mark. And that's all the magic. So again, mark it. Okay, that's where our 180 fold is. We will take our strip, we'll cut it on line. Now let's measure where will be our picture. There we go. There we go. It's a fun hobby. I love to make those books. I really do. Here we go, line up with the top of the page. Press, make sure that you push this strip right to the end so you don't have any gaps over there. Cut it where the picture ends. And now fold it to your mark. Let's fold it to my mark. That's all it is. So you continue with all your strips, and then when I am done, I'll show you how the book looks. So as you can see on the top, it's pretty nice. Over here you can see the raised and the cuts over here, which is nice and crispy. That's how it looks from here. So I'll show you when the book is done so you can see the full design. So my design is finished. What I will do right now, separate my pages. For the rest of the pages, I will just do regular 180 fold, what I did on the front. So let me just finish that one, and I'll get back to you and show you how it looks when it's done. So my book is done. It's a cute little book. It looks wonderful from the top, beautiful on the sides, on the bottom. It's a nice, cute design. If you have any questions, you can just get in touch with me down in the comments. If you like my channel, please subscribe and follow me with more videos to come and instructions. Thank you for watching.